What's up guys, Jay Yudlowski, Focus Photography and Design, helping you focus on your photography. Today, I wanted to share a tip in Photoshop on how you can quickly change your layer blend modes to see which layer blend mode works best for you. So let's get into it. Okay, so here I am in Photoshop. I have an image here that I want to add a little extra light coming in from the right-hand side of the image here. So I'm going to come down, I'm going to start a new layer. I have a yellowish color selected here. I'm going to use the gradient tool by pressing G. Use the circular gradient here, and I'm just going to click on the corner, top corner here, and drag down. Okay, so now it adds a little extra burst of light coming through there. Now I want to change my layer blend modes to see what will work best. So I'm going to select my layer. You need to have your move tool activated, so you press the letter V, or you can select the little move tool here. Now all I have to do is hold shift and use the plus and minus keys, and this will cycle through the different layer styles. So hold shift and the plus and minus key. So here you're cycling through, multiply, color burn. Now maybe I'm not sure which one I want to use, so I'll just keep cycling through until I find one that I like. And it's a quick way instead of having to click through each layer blend mode. So I'm going to stop on soft light here, turn it on and off. Okay, that looks good. I like it. So there you go, guys. There's a quick way you can cycle through your layer blend modes in Photoshop to help you select the one that works best on your image. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your time. Please subscribe to my channel. If you're learning something, give it a thumbs up and like this video if you enjoyed it and you learned something. And I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Subscribe up here, subscribe. Pick that one.